Did you know that timing can make or break a real estate deal? Selling your home at the right moment can significantly boost your net equity. Hi, I'm Darius, a realtor in Southern California. Let's get started. Market conditions can dramatically affect your home's selling price. A seller's market can mean higher offers, while a buyer's market might bring less offers or none and force you to lower your price. Understanding these dynamics is key to maximizing your sale. Identifying a seller's market versus a buyer's market is essential. Look for signs like low inventory and high demand for a seller's market. A buyer's market has lots of inventory, usually less demand, and more days on market. These indicators can guide your decision on when to list your home. When in doubt, check with your local realtor for guidance. Economic factors like interest rates and employment rates play a significant role in home sales. High interest rates can deter buyers, while low rates can encourage them. Stay informed to leverage these factors to your advantage. Your personal circumstances are just as important as market conditions. Consider your financial situation, future plans, and any life changes like job relocation, family expansion, or retirement. These factors can influence your selling timeline. Evaluate your readiness to sell. Are you financially prepared for the next step? Do you have a clear plan for your future? Answering these questions can help determine if now is the right time for you. Preparing your home for sale is crucial. Clean, declutter, freshen up, and stage your home to attract more buyers. A well-presented home can make a lasting impression and increase your chances of a swift, successful sale. Pricing strategies and effective marketing are vital. Align your price with current market conditions to attract serious buyers. Effective marketing ensures your home stands out. By doing so, you'll maximize your sale potential and minimize days on market. Well, that's it in a nutshell. If you have any questions about how to prepare your home for sale, we are just a phone call away. Thanks for watching, and feel free to hit subscribe if you like this content. And be sure to make it a wonderful day.